We in South Dakota with the boy bird right there. Got his boy. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. You ain't seen a fucking mini monster like that, guys. And you wonder why we're going back to him. You see it right there, guys. Gonna get some more platinum shit out of that. There's his other boy right there. Yeah, Declan made the drive. 11 hours all the way here to deliver this man his pup, as promised. And we are a couple months from coming back to this little monster.
Vino, come here.
You already know there might be one boy, but I doubt there's any girls. You can like, share, subscribe, hit the DMs. Anyone wants a boy, we're going to take one deposit, but nothing else.
Vino.
But this is what your boys will turn out like right there and right there. They're 8 weeks.
Vino, come here.
He's smaller than the mom.
Try tip.
And he actually threw a black try too that already went home. He got a platinum try and an all black. He's all black. He's got tiny white chest. There he is, the monster. You can't even see him in short grass. The grass isn't even that long, guys. Honestly, he's the shortest fucking dog I've ever seen. Grand champion baby Vino. I'm sorry. We're going to violate you. Oh my God, the brown try did his leg kick like first time he pooped. The brown tried, just like he covers his poop. No one else did it, but the brown try will cover his poop. Look, we got Tiny Tim out here with his half brothers. Yeah, he looks great, bro. Yeah, he's great.
Be nice. I'm gonna check the veggies real quick.
Yeah, he's beautiful. Here's Tiny Tim. That's off Cinnabons and baby Vino. He's 8 months old.